Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Harry Potter envelope. I know it's supposed to be in green, but I wanted to do it in black. You can do it in green if you want. So to make this, you need to take a normal A4 size white paper and make it into parchment paper. This is very easy to do and all you need is coffee powder. I have linked a video in the description below where I teach you how to make parchment paper. So once you make it, then go ahead, cut out a square from your parchment paper and make these envelopes. If you have a punch board, then you can use that. I'll link a video down for that too. Otherwise, you can just make a normal envelope and then you have to write. Now I'll show you how to write. And these you can use if you have a themed birthday party to sort your friends into 4 different houses. So to make the teams, so you can go ahead and put a house in each envelope. So there, and all you need to do is write now. So I'll show you how to write. So start somewhere right over here. Make sure you fit everything in this much space. It depends on the size of your envelope. Now I needed to just fit this into it, so I made it small. So you write the M like this, and then the R, and then you go ahead and write H, a dot. Now the P is like this, the O, the T, there. Mr. H. Potter. Now you write the cupboard under the stairs. So that I'm going to start from here. The C, U, the P is like that, D, the O, the A, R, D. The under is a little different. It's in italics. There. And now the stairs. Now the I will have this. The R is this R and this S. Now for trivet right. So for the 4, you start a little down, make a line, go, there you go. That's your 4, comma. And the P will be like this, there, there, I, V, E, T, privet, and then drive. Now you go ahead little, so L, make it curved, I, T, T, L, E, W, H, I, and the N will have lines like that. Make the G like this, I, N, and then another G, and the ending S, U, R, another R, an E, and a Y. There. You can go ahead and darken one side of it like this. You can go ahead and do that for the whole thing. I'm going to do that. So that's how it looks if you do that. So there, that's how you write your own Harry Potter envelope. And when you're done, go ahead and put whatever you want to put inside it. And there you go. That's how easy it is to write and make your own Harry Potter envelope.